Alright, so I'm going to show you something I really like. Now this is an umbrella, like a softbox, alright? It opens up, but you got to actually set this up. It does come with a fusion cover for it in the front, alright? It does come with a packing bag if you're going to travel for photo shoots. And right now we're here in my studio in the back. I need extra light. I'm going to show you what I currently have right now, alright? This is the current one I have. It's just the basic one. It goes all around. I need something to point directly, all right? So that's why we're going to replace this one. This is the lantern I had. If you guys are concerned about the size, it's the same thing, all right? So we have it. It's small. It's the same size. I'm going to set this up. It does have the same inputs too, all right? All right, so here's the finished product. I had to open it this way, exactly how it is. Push it down and open the umbrella. They lock in, all right? So we got it open. It was a little... it took some work to figure it out, but you press it down. Once you open it up, they lock in, and then you put the surrounding top. So we're gonna do that right now, set it up. All right, this easy part, because it has Velcro in every corner. If you guys can see that, it's easily grabbing it. You make sure you tied it up, all the Velcros in there. You should be good. This is the LED light I currently have. We're gonna focus the light on this side, see how well it works. All right, there goes the light right there. Perfect shadows. Look at that. Only in the back here, but look at the shadows. Perfect lighting. So it's set up high, pointing where I want it to. Very strong and powerful. You can see it on the actually there how it works. Stretched. The inside is very light, and then pointing at where I want to film. This is the type of film I want, where there's not that many minimum shadows. All right, minimize your shadow. That's what you want. So we are going to set up another one on the left, so we could contradict both sides. Perfect. You guys are filming like I am. I'm always filming here. It was a little struggle because it's large and it's up there. So suggesting put these on the floor. They're the best things to work on the floor. But overall, if you're looking for a softbox, concentrated softbox, this is it. Look how well it did. This is how simple it is to take apart. You push these buttons. That's what you got to do. Push them up, and then they fold in. So simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.